Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. இன்றைக்கு நாங்கள் கிராமரில் ரொம்பவுமே பேசிக்கான அண்ட் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான ஒரு விஷயத்தை பற்றி படிக்க போகிறோம், which is parts of speech. Parts of speech. இங்கிலீஷ் சென்டென்சஸில் வரக்கூடிய வேர்ட்ஸை நாங்கள் வெவ்வேறு கிளாஸஸாக பிரிக்கிறோம். According to their work they do in a sentence. ஒரு வேர்ட் ஒரு சென்டென்ஸில் என்ன வேலையை செய்து அப்படின்றத பொறுத்து நாங்கள் வெவ்வேறு கிளாஸஸாக பிரிக்கிறோம். These classes are called as parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. ஓகே, இங்கிலீஷில் இருக்கக்கூடிய வேர்ட்ஸை நாங்கள் 8 பார்ட்ஸாக 8 கிளாஸஸாக பிரித்து படிக்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ லெட்ஸ் see what are them. அவை என்ன மற்றும் அதோட ஒர்க் என்ன, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸில் ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச்சும் செய்யக்கூடிய ஒர்க் என்ன அப்படின்றத தெரிந்து வைத்துக்கொள்வதன் மூலமாக எங்களுக்கு ஒவ்வொரு சென்டென்ஸ்லஸ்லேயும் அவற்றை யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்பவும் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். அத்தோடு சென்டென்சஸை விளங்கி கொள்ள படிக்கும்போது அந்த பார்ட்ஸை ரெக்கக்னைஸ் பண்ணிக்கொள்ளவும் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ you should know them as a English student. So let's see what are them first. Okay, first one is noun, then verb, adverb, adjective, pronouns, articles, prepositions, conjunctions. We can say another part as well, which is interjection. First, what we're going to see is about noun. Nouns. You may know already about nouns, but I'm going to give you a brief discussion about nouns. Noun. Nouns are names of things, persons, places, and ideas. Names of things means what are things? All the things that you see around you. House, computer, book, cup, clothes, tree, okay, car, as it. All the names of things. Next, people, names of people. Doctor, teacher, father, boy, girl. Okay, all are names of person. Next, places, names of places. What are the places that you know? School, house, playground, Sri Lanka, United States of America, that is a name of a place, a country name. Chennai, Australia. Okay, the city, town, all are the names of places. Then ideas. What are the ideas? Cooking is my hobby. Cooking, which is an idea, the ing form of a verb. We can call it as a gerund, which is also noun. Let's see them in a detailed manner later on. Now let's see very briefly. Next, we can divide these nouns into several parts. Okay, first let's divide it as common noun and proper noun. Common noun and proper noun. Common noun, which is common to everything in that class. For example, city. City என்பது எல்லா சிட்டிஸ்க்கும் சொல்லப்படக்கூடிய பெயர். So it's a common noun. But Bangalore is a name of a certain city. ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட சிட்டியோட பேர் தான் பெங்களூர். So that is proper noun. Next one, boy. Boy is a common noun. We can say boy to all the boys. So that's a common noun. John. John is the name of one boy. So that's a proper noun. Next, country, which is a common noun. Australia is a proper noun. India is a proper noun. Okay, so these are the common nouns and proper nouns. We need to put capital letter at the beginning of all the proper nouns when we're writing in sentences. Okay, but you don't need to bother when you are talking. So common noun and proper noun, that is one type of categorizing the nouns. Next naga nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns என்று ரெண்டு விதமாகவும் பிரிக்கலாம். Countable என்பது எண்ணக்கூடிய 1 2 3 4 என்று எண்ணக்கூடிய nouns இதற்கு நாங்கள் countable nouns என்று சொல்வோம். அதே போல் uncountable என்பது எண்ண முடியாதவை, 1 2 என்று எண்ண முடியாதவை. So see the examples for countable nouns. House, we can count houses, so which is a countable noun. Car, boy, tree, flower. Okay, all are countable nouns. We can count them. Uncountable nouns. Sugar. Can you count sugar? 1 2 3? No, we can't count it. We can say some sugar. Okay, a little sugar, a lot of sugar. But we can say like 1 kilograms of sugar, 2 kilograms of sugar, such as. But we can't count as 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar. Next one, tea, which is uncountable. We can't say 1 tea, 2 tea, but we can say 1 cup of tea, 2 cups of tea. அந்த பர்பஸில் எங்களுக்கு 1 tea 2 tea என்று சொல்லலாம். 2 cups of tea என்பது 2 tea. Give me 2 tea. We can ask in a hotel or restaurant somewhere. We need 3 teas. We can ask like that. Also war, which is uncountable. But we need 2 bottles of war. 2 bottles of war. We can ask like that. Okay, so sugar, tea, war, rice, flour, which are uncountable. And look at 4 of these examples. Furniture. Furniture, we can't count furniture as 1 2 3. But we can say 1 piece of furniture, 2 pieces of furniture. News, which is also uncountable. I have got some news. We can say like that, but we can't say I have got 1 news, 2 news, like that. Next, information, which is also uncountable in English. Idea. Idea is also uncountable. I have got some idea. நன்கு ஞாபகம் வைத்துக்கொள்ளுங்க, இங்கிலீஷை பொறுத்தவரையில் ஃபர்னிச்சர், நியூஸ், இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், ஐடியா இவை uncountable. Okay. Next, countables. Countable nouns எங்களுக்கு 2 விதமாக வகுக்கலாம். Singular noun, plural noun. Singular என்பது ஒருமை. If there is 1 piece, okay, 1 piece of countable noun, we can say it as singular noun. And if there are 2 or more pieces of countable nouns, we have to say it as plural noun. Plural noun, more than 1. ஒன்றை விட அதிகமாக இருப்பதற்கு நாங்கள் plural noun என்று சொல்வோம். For example, if there is 1 cat, so we can say as a cat. If there is 1, ஒன்றை விட அதிகமாக இருந்தால் cats. Cats. Normally நாங்கள் singular nounக்கு எண்டில் is என்ற சவுண்டை ஆட் பண்ணி plural noun உருவாக்குவோம். cat, cats. அதே போல் house, houses. is, as இந்த மாதிரி is என்ற சவுண்டை ஆட் பண்ணி நாங்கள் ப்ளூரலை உருவாக்குவோம். இன்னும் சில நவுன்ஸ்க்கு அவ்வாறாக is சவுண்ட் சேர்க்காமலும் ப்ளூரல் உருவாக்கலாம். அவற்றை நான் ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோ ஒன்றில் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கிறேன். ஸோ யூ கேன் வாட்ச் இட். ஐ வில் கிவ் த link of that video in the description box. Okay, so you can find it and watch again. Finally, do you aware about noun phrases? What are noun phrases? We have already learned about nouns, which are the names of things or person or places, whatever. Noun phrase means not just one word. It gives a long description about a noun, which is noun phrase. For example, apple. Apple is a noun. Apple என்பது ஒரு noun. So we can say it a little bit descriptively. The green apple. The green apple, which is a noun phrase. Okay, the green apple that you gave me yesterday. Can you understand that? A green apple that you gave me yesterday. That the whole thing is a noun phrase. Noun phrase describe about the noun more. So we can make a sentence like the apple is sweet. The green apple is sweet. The green apple that you gave me yesterday was sweet. Understood? So the whole thing is a noun phrase. See another example. Book. Book, which is a noun. The story book. The story book, which is a noun phrase. The book I read last night. நான் நேற்றிரவு வாசித்த புத்தகம், which is a noun phrase. The book I read last night was wonderful. We can just use as book. The book was wonderful. Otherwise, the storybook was wonderful. Otherwise, the book I read last night was wonderful. Have you got it? Now, I'm going to give you a little exercise. Okay, there are some nouns here. Cat, school, boy. Now, you need to make noun phrases using these 3 nouns. Can you do that? Yeah, do that and put the answers in the comment box. Let's meet in the next session with a description about the next part of speech, which is verb. That is a very important part of speech. So you shouldn't miss that video. For that, you should subscribe my channel and click onto the bell icon. Okay? Also, if you think this video is useful to you, you can share this to your friends and the others. So, shall we meet in the next session? Until that, take care.